brave, be bold, be free. Make bold choices and make mistakes. It's all those things that add to the person you become. People always slow down for a train wreck. It's like junk food. If you don't feel good about yourself, you want to read crap about other people, like gossip in high school. You don't understand why it's there, but somehow it makes a lot of people feel better. Nothing would mean anything if I didn't live a life of use to others. If you don't get out of the box you've been raised in, you won't understand how much bigger the world is. Different is good. When someone tells you that you are different, smile and hold your head up and be proud. Save 1/3, live on 1/3, and give away 1/3. Love is when you wish all the best to the people you love, when you put their interests and well-being above their own. Always. If every choice you make comes from an honest place, you're solid, and nothing anybody can say about you can rock you or change your opinion.